If you have ever encountered stone or sand while eating Ofada rice, and because of that experience you have written Ofada rice off and you say, no, I'm never going to try this again, then this video is for you. Keep watching and I'm going to show you the best way to cook your Ofada rice to avoid eating stone while enjoying your Ofada rice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good today. Without further ado, let's get cooking. This is what Ofada rice looks like. Of course, it is brown in color, although sometimes you may find some that are not as brown as this one, but it is still Ofada rice. It is common among the Yorubas. It is locally produced, highly nutritious, and very good for the health. You can find it in most markets in Nigeria, whether the open market or supermarket. Sometimes, especially when you buy from the open market, you may find remnants of chaff in this rice. All you need to do is just blow it out, but the sellers oftentimes they usually blow it out, although it may not be complete. But I already did that for this. But for the packed ones at the supermarket, they're usually very clean and you don't even have to do the blowing out of the chaff. And as you can see, this one doesn't have much chaff. What I'm doing now is to thoroughly rinse this rice so that all that thick brown cloudy water can go away. I did this like 3 times. The moment you mention Ofada rice to some people, they will just tell you, no, I am not eating it. And I find that most of the time, their reasons are based on the experience they have had with eating poorly prepared Ofada rice. And I totally understand. Imagine enjoying a delicious plate of Ofada rice only for your teeth to hit a stone. You will become immediately uninterested in the food. But with this method, you can enjoy stone-free Ofada rice. Now transferring the washed rice into the pan, I will add already boiling water, enough to cover the rice. I'm making 2 cups of Ofada rice for 3 adults, and that will be very enough for us. Ofada rice swells a lot. And in this same rice, I'm going to be boiling some eggs for my ayamashi sauce. I have washed the eggs already, so I'm going to leave this to boil for 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, I'm going to take out the eggs, turn off the heat. If after watching this video you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're watching this video and you are yet subscribed to my channel, kindly do that so you can see more of these very useful kitchen tips. I will now transfer the parboiled rice into a large bowl. I'll run some cold water over it and drain until it's no longer hot. I need this at a temperature that my hands can bear, because very soon I'm going to be going in with my hand. While I do that, I'd like to take a moment to appreciate you, dear viewers and subscribers, for watching all my videos and engaging with them. Thank you so much and God bless you. Okay, this is no longer hot, so I'm going to use my hand to gently scoop the rice bit by bit out of the water from the top. What this whole process does is to lighten the weight of the rice so that all the stones or sand can settle beneath. And by scooping with my hand gently like that, I can make sure that I do not take along stones or sand. If you do it like this and you check the bottom of your bowl, you may find tiny stones or even sand at the bottom, and that is how to remove stone from your Ofada rice. I am now done with all the washing, and I have added some salt and some hot water as well, and I'm going to cook this until very soft. I am checking now to see if it is soft enough or I need to add some water, but it looks as if we can use a bit more water, so I added some. I will leave this to cook until all the water has been absorbed by the rice. This is looking good. The rice is ready. It is soft but not mushy. So my dears, whether you're cooking at home or you're cooking for sale, follow this process and your family and customers will keep asking for more. The recipe for this super delicious ayamashi will be, the link will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you tomorrow with another recipe. And before you go, please subscribe if you have not and like this video. Bye bye.